Yes. Coming to level 2 problems, first one what you have is you got what the question number. For x not equal to 0, e power x minus 1 whole to the power of 2n. There is again the sign of x by a whole to the power of n, log of 1 plus x by a whole to the power of n. Is it for x is equals to 0, it is 16 power n. And if f is continuous at x is equals to 0, then the value of a is what? That's the question we have given. Ignore it. When it is continuous, it's given that it is continuous at x is equals to 0. Listen, when it is continuous at some point, say x is equals to 0, you know that limit x tends to 0 f of x will be equal to f of 0. This is known to you. When the function is continuous at some point, say x is equals to a, limit x tends to a, f of x will be equal to f of a. Let me write that. You got e power x minus 1 equal to the power of 2n divided by sin of x by a whole to the power of n into log of 1 plus x by a whole to the power of n. This is f of x. This percentage f of x is equals to f of a in the sense function at x is equal to 0 is what? 16 power n. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ when you apply the limit you are getting 0 by 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ numeratorly the function is like e power x minus 1 whole to the power of 2n. Denominator ಕೂಡ you have sin of x by a whole to the power of n log of 1 plus x by a whole to the very complicated to differentiate. Numerator to some extent complicated. Denominator is very complicated to differentiate. So I don't go for LH rule. So instead I'll be using some formulas. In order limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by multiply and divided by x power 2n. Correct? You should have, when you have this formula, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is nothing but 1. LH rule is complicated and so you have to use formulas and trading. So to get this formula, denominator x is by 2. So what I do is, we go to the power of 2n is that. So I will multiply it by x to the power of 2n. Next, divided by sin of x by a. Multiply and divide by x by a whole to the power of n. Sin theta by theta by. Hope you understood this. Multiply and divide by x by a whole to the power of n. Next, coming to this, we can formula is mine. Sin x by x is 1. Correct? Third formula is ಇನ್ನೊಂದು formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ log of limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x is equal to 1. These are the some simple formulas we'll be using. Alright? To avoid that complexity in differentiation, I'll be using these formulas. Now, this is log of 1 plus x by a. You got whole to the power of n. Okay? ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ later write this formula. I'll multiply and divide by x by a. Anyhow, I've done ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So it becomes multiply and divide by x power n a power. Hope you understood these things. Now, this complete is equal to 16 power n. I've used these three formulas. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is 1. I've used one more formula, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is 1. Simple formulas. Now, x power n x by these two get cancels. This part is what? 1. This part is 1. And even this part is 1. Okay. So denominator uldiraleno is to 1. It is to 1. It is to 1. 1 divided by 1 by a power n into a power n is a power 2n. Denominator of the denominator is numerator. So a power 2n. Correct? A power n into a power n is a power 2n. It is there in denominator of the denominator is numerator. A power 2n is equal to 16 power n. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ a power 2n is equal to 4 4 to the power of 2 ಏನು 4 square is 60 ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ means what is the a value is equals to 4 clear so the option it will be fourth option that is fourth so I'm going to record the video and I'll upload it to Anthony this is first one video record ಮಾಡಿ upload so coming to the second problem so the given x power alpha into cos of 1 by x for all x not equal to 0 and for all x equal to 0 is continuous at x is equals to 0 then alpha is less than 0 greater than 0 we have to check out ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ the function is continuous at x is equals to 0 means the second problem limit x tends to 0 f of x is x power alpha into cos of 1 by x is equal to f of 0 is what 0 because it is given that it is continuous now look at the options this complete it must be equal to 0 correct for what value of alpha it will be equal to 0 that's the question ignore it first alpha less than 0 when you apply the limit see what happens when alpha is greater than 0 what happens let me just check out means positive value there x square x cube x to the power of 1 by 2 n right control when alpha is less than 0 I mean greater than 0 when you apply the limit x tends to 0 this part becomes 0 into 1 by 0 is infinity cos infinity is some value which lies between minus 1 to 1 that value into 0 is what 0 so 0 is possible this whole thing becomes 0 only when this attains 0 so if it is 0 only when alpha is positive see what happens when equal to 0 alpha equal to 0 anything to the power of 0 is 1 1 into that value 1 into that value can this be equal to 0 no so it is 0 ever this cannot be 0 alpha must be greater than 0 see what happens so alpha equal to 0 ever alpha 0 agute alpha power 0 is anything to the power of 0 is 1 1 into any value in between minus 1 to 1 cannot be 0 1 into 0 becomes 0 so alpha 0 equal less than 0 to find out alpha value suppose if alpha is less than 0 means negative say minus 2 minus 3 say minus 2 ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x to the power of minus 2 into cos of 1 by x this will be what cos of 1 by x divided by x square limit x tends to 0 ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ this value cannot be equal to 0 because this is what is cos 1 by 0 cos infinity lies in between minus 1 to 1 divided by 0 it becomes infinity ಅವಾಗ equal to 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ means equal to 0 ಆಗೋ possibility ಯಾವಾಗ only when alpha is greater than 0 clear so the option it will be second option next third one it is similar to LH rule that you can do same LH rule use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ fourth one ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x is equal to this is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x e power a x plus b for all x greater than 0 for all x less than or equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0 then they have given some conditions when it is given as continuous limit x tends to 0 f of x will be equal to above 0 and let me find out that first left hand limit because less than 0 there is a function greater than 0 there is a function less than 0 means a square cos square x plus b square sin square x so ಈಗ 0 minus h ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ let me directly write the solution 0 minus h ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ cos 0 becomes 1 this part is a square okay so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 minus h ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ sin 0 becomes 0 this complete part is 0 so LHS is a square RHS nothing limit x tends to 0 plus means greater than 0 what is that function e power ax plus b so in the place of x, what I have to put? RHL, 0 plus h. 0 plus h, this common part is 0, so e power b. Even at x is equals to 0, this is the function. So when it is declared as the function is continuous andaga, these two will be same. So e power b will be equal to a square. But either any optional illa. In options we don't have something like e to the power of b is equal to a square and option illa nಮಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ in terms of log ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So what I do is I take log on both sides. See what happens. Log e power b is equal to log a square. I am using the property log a power m. It is m log a. Clear? So log e power b is b log e is equal to 2 log e. What is the value of log e? It is equal to 1. Means b is equal to 2 into log mod a. That is option A. That is the right answer. ನಿಮಗೆ suppose answer ಅಲ್ಲಿ if it is in terms of log, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ e power b is equal to a square ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is clearly indicating that you have to use certain properties of logarithms. Maybe log m into n, log m by n, log a power m. ಈ properties ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Simplify, you will be getting the options. Guarantee ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay. This is question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. Now record ಮಾಡಿ post ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ video, don't worry. These are important. You will just write it. 3 by x square into sin 2x square for x less than 0. And this is x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by 1 minus 2x square for x greater than or equal to 0. 0 for x equal to 1 by 2. The question is, then in order that f is continuous at x is equals to c, then the value of c is. They are asking at the point x is equals to 0. So you write down the consideration for less than 0, greater than 0 and equal to 0. Equal. If you have continuous only when limit x tends to 0, left hand limit for the first one, you got 3 by x square, you got sin 2 into x square is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. In the sense, first important. Now it's very clear. Sin 2 into x square, I'm going to write this x square here, then 3 here, limit x tends to 0 minus. Now, if you think of sin theta by theta, what is theta here? 2x square, denominator x square is there, therefore you multiply and divide by 2, it becomes 6. Other, so left hand limit becomes 6. Correct? So right hand limit to equal to 0 to same function. Now, let me just put that 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 3 into 0. This is f of 0. Right hand limit from 0 same bರ್ತದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, therefore I have taken f of 0. This is f of 0 is equal to left hand limit is 6. Therefore c is equal to 6. No need to solve right hand limit because right hand limit like the value remains same as the value. Okay. Now so 6, 7, 8 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they are of composite functions. Now next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ I will be explaining what is the meaning of composite function first, because ನಿಮಗೆ you don't know what is f of g of f circle g of x ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ explain ಮಾಡಿ then I'll explain 6, 7, 8. ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Question number 9. Step functions ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. This is question number 9 in level 2. So you got f of x is equals to a into step function of x plus 1 plus b into step function of x minus 1, where step x is greatest integer function continuous at x is equals to 1 if ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ it is continuous at x is equals to 1. We have to be a bit careful. First, at x is equal to 1 ನೋಡಿ f of 1 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ step function of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ at x is equal to exactly at 1 1 plus 1 is 2 step function of 2 is 2 next 1 minus 1 is 0 step function of 0 is 0 so f of 1 into 2a so coming to left hand limit LHS direct. So what is that point you are dealing with? You are dealing with at x is equals to 1. Left hand limit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0.9. ಈಗ 0.9 plus 1 is 1.9. Step function of 1.9 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. So this is a 1 into a is a plus. So 0.9 minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0.9. take a left hand limit ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Say 0.9 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 0.9 minus 1 is minus 0.1. What is the function of minus 0.1? Minus 1. Minus 1 into b is minus 2. Into left hand limit. Right hand limit order. Greater than 1. Under 1.1 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 1.1 plus 1 is what? 2.1. Step function of 2.1 is what? 2. Andre 2a. Next, 1.1 minus 1 is what? 0.1. Step function of 0.1 is what? 0. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು continuous. ಇದು LHR at x is equals to 1, RHR at x is equals to 1, f of 1. ಅವನು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? It is continuous at x is equals to 1. Then relations ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. When it is continuous, a minus b will be equal to what? 2a is equal to 2a. Under 2a. Or we can convert another. A minus 2a is equal to b, or minus a is equal to b, or a plus b is equal to 0. Clear? This is about question number 9. Question number 10. In the interval specified mata ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Step functions ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ when intervals are specified, how you have to solve? Let me explain that. F of x is equal to step function of 2x cube minus 6 is the greatest integer less than or equal to x, then the number of points in which in 1 comma 2 where f is discontinuous. Now my simple question to you is step x where it is discontinuous, that is my question. At all integral points, right? Step x is discontinuous at all integral points. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Step function of x plus 1 where it is discontinuous, that is my question. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. X lies in between minus 1 comma 2 open. So first it is given that x lies in between 1 to 2. It is mentioned in the problem. Correct? X another it is a value which is lying in between 1 to 2. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು when x lies in between 1 and 2, where does this 2x cube minus 6 lies in between? That is the question. Correct ಇಲ್ಲ? So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ. First, x lies in between 1 to 2. I need to get x cube. X cube lies in between 1 to 8. 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 8. Next, I need to get 2x cube. Let's multiply. 2x cube lies in between 2 to 16. Correct? So now 2x cube lies in between 2 to 16. Then you get 2x cube minus 6. 2x cube minus 6 lies in between 2 minus 6, this is what? Minus 4. 16 minus 6 is what? 10. Getting? Ega. When x lies in between 1 to 2, where does this 2x cube minus 6 lies in between? It lies in between minus 6 to 10. Correct? Minus 4 to 10. Minus 4 to 10. Minus 4 hatra open ಇದೆ. 10 hatra open ಇದೆ. Means you should not consider minus 4 and 10. Excluding minus 4 and 10, what are the integers you have? You have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct idea. Now, how many integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means this 2x cube minus 6 becomes integer when you give minus 3, when you give minus 2, when you give minus 1. So first of all, step functions are discontinuous at all integral points. Means this whole thing is discontinuous at how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 points. That's the answer. Clear? So it will be option 3. So when intervals are given to you, this is how you have to solve. This is question 10, which I solved. Now, coming to the next one, question 11. This is what we limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. Okay? Athwa, I can write this as limit x tends to infinity, sin of 1 by x by 1 by x is equal to 1. And one more thing is limit x tends to 0, sin of mod x by x is 1. Or limit x tends to 0, sin x by mod x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin of mod x by x is what? Athwa sin x by mod x does not exist. Limit does not exist. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ critical point matches with the given point. ಇದು critical point 0, sin of mod x 0 ಅಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 0 is one of the critical point. ಈಗ sin x ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಇರ್ತದ, it will be 0 when you give x is equal to 0, when you give x is equal to pi, when x is equal to 2 pi. In general, sin x becomes 0 whenever you give n pi, where n is natural there. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. sin mod x is critical point ಏನು 0. Is it matching with the given point? Yes. So does not exist. Limit does not exist ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The same expression for this. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, limit x tends to 0 minus into minus x. Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x by x. This x remains as x. Modulus ಇರೋದು ಬರೀ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. So now left hand limit becomes minus 1. Sin x by x is minus 1. We have integration. Coming to right hand side, 0 plus. For greater than 0, what is modulus of x? It is x. Means sin x by x is 1. So it does not exist. Now when it is replaced by step function, when I ask you what is this, now what is limit x tends to 0, sin of step x by step x. You have to find out LHL and RHL. Okay? Zero is the point, say minus 0.1 for left hand limit, plus 0.1 for right hand limit. Let us check what happens with this. Now, when we put minus 0.1, what is the function of minus 0.1? It is minus 1. Step function of minus 0.1 is what? Minus 1. So this is sin of minus 1 divided by minus 1. This becomes sin 1. Left hand limit. Coming to right hand limit, 0.1. What is step function of 0.1? It is equal to 0. Getting? So this part is sin 0 divided by step function of 0.2 is equal to 0. So where you can observe left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Means limit x tends to 0, sin step x by step x does not it is discontinuous at x is equals to 0. So point to be remembered. Clear? This is about 11th problem. Coming to 12th. 12th is very simple. X plus 2 mod y that is equal to 3y. Then f of x is continuous everywhere. this problem is actually on differentiable is normal mana because still we have not yet started what is called differentiability in a module no. So 12th and 13th we will discuss it later andre yavaga differentiability concept bandaga because you don't know differentiability concept in niಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, so how can I explain this? Okay, now coming to HW homework problems. ನಾನು ಐ ಸೆಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೊಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟು HW ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಪಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. You have the first column, you have f of x is equal to root of a square minus ax plus x square minus root of a square plus ax plus x square divided by root of a plus x minus root of a minus x is continuous at x is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal to what? You have to just use L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule use ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You know what is that L'Hopital's rule? Differentiating. Differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x, differentiation of minus. Just do that. You'll be getting answer as minus root a. Okay, if possible, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. This is 1 by 2 root of a square minus ax plus x square. At the point x is equal to 0, you get it. Right? It is given at x is equal to 0. Now, differentiation of minus ax is minus a, and this x square is 2x minus 1 by 2 root of a square plus ax plus x square. Differentiation of ax is a and x square is 2x. Same thing with this. 1 by 2 root of a plus x minus 1 by 2 root of a minus x. Differentiation of a minus x is this is positive plus 1. It extends to 0. You know, this part becomes 0. This is 0. Okay? So really 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now what are they? Minus a. We make 2 into root a square, that is 2a. Root a square is a, 2a. Minus a divided by, same thing, 2a. Getting denominator part divided by this together. Denominator part x tends to 0. This is 0. This is 0. 1 by 2 root a plus 1 by 2 root a. 2 by 2 root a. That is equal to minus a. Everything that cancels. Numerator minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 bರ್ತದೆ. Numerator is minus 1 into 1 by root a is root a. Clear? So that will be the option minus root a. So coming to question 12. Second problem. This is important. 72 power x minus 9 power x minus 8 power x plus 1 divided by root 2 minus root of 1 plus power x. K into log 2 into log 3 for x equal to 0 for x not equal to 0. The question is find the value of k. You don't try to differentiate because a power x minus b power x minus c power x adu a function complete function ಏನಿದೆ ನೀನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ it will not attain to 0. Getting? For example, ನೋಡ್ರಿ limit x tends to 0 a power x minus b power x by c power x minus d power x is equal to 0. I have taken some example. When you apply the limit a power x 0, when it is 1, b power 0 is 1, 0 by 0 1. If you keep on differentiating, the solution ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ because numerator part will attain 0, denominator part will attain 0 for n number of times. You have even differentiating n number of times, the numerator part will not vanish to 0 ಗಾದು ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, 0 ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Same thing with denominator. So what I suggest is whenever you have exponential ಇದರ ಅದಾ 2 power x 7 power x 3 power x exponential ಇದ್ದಾಗ don't try to use L'Hopital's rule because ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲ, when always it will be equal to 0. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So I suggest you to use these formulas. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is log a. Yeah? I suggest you use mine. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 72 ಪವರ್ x minus 9 ಪವರ್ x minus 8 ಪವರ್ x plus 1, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 into 8 72 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, 9 ಪವರ್ x 8 ಪವರ್ x. ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ? 9 ಪವರ್ x minus 1, 8 power x minus 1. 9 power x into 8 power x is 72 power x. 9 power x minus 1 is 9 power x. 8 power x minus 1 is 8 power x. Minus 2 minus 6 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So factors ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Easy to find out the factors. 72 9 8 is ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 into 8, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? So ಇನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ divided by, I'll just rationalize root 2 plus root of 1 plus cos x, because differentiation process is complicated, so I'm avoiding this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ root 2 minus root of 1 plus cos x, root 2 plus root of 1 plus 1 plus cos x, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is limit x tends to 0, which is equal to f of 0. What is that? K into log 2 into log 2. Now limit x tends to 0. You should think of this formula. A power x minus 1 by x is log a. Here 9 power x minus 1 by x, 8 power x minus 1 by x, x into x multiplied divided by x square 100, so that I can use that formula. Divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus cos x. What is 1 minus cos x? 2 sin square x by 2. So it whole square by 2. Sir, why we have to write formula? The formula becomes easy than differentiation. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplied by what? X plus x by 2 whole square. अब sin theta by theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು this part. Root 2 plus root of 1 plus cos x. Now when you compare the limit, this part is what? Log 9 by using that formula. A power x minus 1 by a power x minus 1 by x is nothing but log a. This is log 9. This x square cancel. This is what? Log a. This is what? Cos 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2. This is what? 2 1s are 2 2s are. This part is 1 by 2. This is 1. Okay, let me simplify this. Now I have to find k value. Again, denominator of the denominator is numerator. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 root 2 into log 9 into log 8. Even the left hand limit, right hand limit value, which is equal to f of 0 because it is continuous. That is equals to k into log 2 into log 3. This is simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ I can find k value. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, what is log 9? Log 9 can be written as log 3 square. So that ನನ್ನ equality ಇವೆರಡು equal ಬರಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ log 2 ಅದ, ಈ ಕಡೆ log 9. Log 9 can be written as log 3 square. That is nothing but 2 log 3. ಇದು log 8 is what? Log 2 cube ತಾನೆ? Log 2 cube. That is nothing but 3 log 2. That is equal to k into log 2 into log 3. That cancel out. This is 3 to the 6, 24 into root 2. That is k value is 24 into root 2. This is the value. Okay. So last in 1 minute ಇದೆ. I'll be taking one more class. In the errand bittidinala, I'll explain that in the next class. Saturday we'll have test. ಈ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. Just follow that. Timings and all will inform tomorrow. Okay, thank you.